In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable inline editing in Salesforce. This feature is incredibly useful if you're looking to save time and streamline your workflow when dealing with let's say, inline editing allows you to make changes quickly without leaving the report you're working on. Now, let's dive into the steps. First, you'll want to begin by navigating to your Salesforce homepage. This is your main dashboard and will be the starting point for accessing most of the settings you need. Once you are at the home page, we're going to focus on the quick settings. This is usually found in the top right corner of your screen and is represented by a gear icon. Click on this icon to open up a drop-down menu with additional options. From this menu, choose Open Advanced Setup. This option will lead you to a more detailed configuration setting where you can make specific changes. Once you're in Advanced Setup, go ahead and type Reports and Dashboard Settings into the search bar. This search will help you find the specific configuration options you're looking for without having to scroll through endless menus. Once you've searched for Reports and Dashboard Settings, click on it. This will bring up a new page where you can adjust various aspects related to reports and dashboards in your Salesforce system. Here you'll be tasked with finding the option titled Enable Inline Editing in Reports Lightning Experience Only. This feature, when enabled, will allow users to edit report data directly within the Lightning interface, which is Salesforce's modern user experience. Now, the next step is key. You'll want to ensure that the checkbox next to this option is marked. By doing so, you effectively enable the inline editing feature. This feature is particularly beneficial as it reduces the need to switch back and forth between report views and edit screens, thereby enhancing productivity and making data management a more seamless process. After you've selected the checkbox, remember to click on the Save button. It's crucial to save your changes to make sure that the modifications take effect immediately. Without saving, your changes won't be applied, and you'll have to restart this process. And that's it! You've successfully enabled inline editing for reports in Salesforce using the Lightning experience. You'll now be able to edit fields directly from your reports, which should save you a lot of time and hassle. It's a small tweak that makes a big difference in how efficiently you can handle data. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarifications, feel free to reach out in the comments below.